Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can stop Facebook from announcing your birthday. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app, go to the profile. Here you can see add a profile. Scroll down and tap on edit your about info, and here are all of your info. Now all you have to do is simply just go to your basic info, and under that you can see your birthday. Tap on edit, and here you can see my birthday is public. If you don't want to announce your birthday, simply just tap right here on the privacy and tap on only me. Now only you will be able to see your birthday and Facebook will not announce your birthday. So that was super easy, and hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.